So hello everybody. So we are going on our few days to Niagara Falls. We rent a hotel. We'll spend a few days there. We'll move around in Niagara Falls, visit this tourist area. Ram is driving. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Focusing on the road?
Focus on the road. It's good.
Just focusing on the
It's
road.
not too busy.
It's not too busy. No, it's
Light.
yeah, traffic is not too heavy. Traffic is good. No issue. So we should reach Niagara Falls maybe in the next hour or so.
Hey guys, today we're going to Niagara Falls. Hi guys, we're driving now, and we're almost there. It takes a long time to drive.
And we are going to Niagara Falls for a few days.
3.
Yes. So we are headed on the road to our hotel, and we'll
Of
show
course.
you more about it.
When we get there in the hotel, we'll get do some videos in the hotel. Subscribe if you want to see that. Hey guys, we are on the bridge. Someone is driving for us. My dad is driving. It's like driving.
This is called the Burlington Skyway.
It's called the Burlington Skyway. The Burlington Skyway. So cool that we're on the bridge. I never seen this bridge. My favorite opalite. My favorite opalite. Sprinkle, please.
That's all? You need another one?
No,
That's enough?
that's enough.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So we are here at the Howard Johnson Hotel in Niagara Falls. So we rent the Howard Johnson Hotel for a few nights, and here we will be staying for our mini vacation. So we have so much fun. We'll go out, we'll have dinner, we'll visit the falls, we'll go to see some 3D movies, and we'll see how the days plans out. I hope we have fun. So here we are. We have 2 queen bed in the hotel. The hotel is pretty clean. It's neat. Everything is well kept. And these are the 2 beds we have.
You finished, sweetie? And they had.
It's a pretty size of hotel room that we rented.
Soap bars.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, they have little mini soap bars to wash your hands with.
Say hi.
Hi.
You like your bed?
Yeah, I love it.
You choose that bed?
It's so cozy.
So this is our room. For a few nights we'll spend at Niagara Falls.
Stuff. There's like so much cool stuff to do.
And this is the Howard Johnson Hotel
Yeah,
at Clifton Hill.
yeah, at Clifton Hill. It's Howard Johnson. Where it like has
We have a
like the big
tiny
chair.
little balcony, as you can see. We have
As
a
you
little
can
balcony
see,
here. We can
there's-
go out. There are chairs
Yeah,
so we can
there's-
sit.
Yeah, that we could sit only 2 people. This is a chair for people to sit on. This is the daddy's.
And these guys are loading up
Our backpack.
all the suitcase.
Yeah, all the suitcases. There's so much
They're working very
suitcases.
hard.
They are working really hard. So hard, like really hard. Super duper.
Okay.
Super duper hard. Grandpa is pushing it. There's
There's
like
a
a
bug.
feel for us.
No, like a black like a
Wasp.
wasp.
So we are headed out. We are taking a tour around Niagara Falls. This is in Clifton Hill where we are. So we are in Clifton Hill, which we are taking a tour around, checking out all the places. We are headed out for dinner. We are pretty hungry. So we are headed out for dinner. We'll see where we headed for dinner tonight. So I'm pretty sure we are going to the Rainforest Cafe for dinner tonight. The Rainforest Cafe is a very nice restaurant. So we'll head it to the Rainforest Cafe. We'll have dinner there, and then we'll hang around for the night and have some ice cream and so. So there is a Rainforest Cafe that we are headed to. So we are here. It's not a far walk from our hotel. Our hotel that we booked is in Clifton Hill, and everything is in Clifton Hill. It's very close. It's not a far walk in. So here we are at the Rainforest Cafe for dinner tonight. So we are at the Rainforest Cafe here at the restaurant. It is so busy in this restaurant. We have to wait 30 minutes for our dinner. So while waiting, they have this aquarium with all these different kind of fishes, as you can see, and they name the fishes so you know exactly when you look at it, you know exactly the name of each fishes. It's amazing to look at these fishes while they're swimming and while we waited for our dinner. It's awesome to look at this. Mia enjoyed it. It was so much fun. She loved fishes and she looked at these fishes while she's swimming. It's amazing for her. And the fishes are so colorful in this aquarium. It's amazing to look at. Rainforest Cafe is like you in a forest with sheer trees and animals, name it, snakes, gorilla, elephants, everything. So we are ready. We are headed into the Rainforest Cafe for our dinner. As you can see, so guys, As I say, you feel like you're in a forest when you're in the rainforest cafe having dinner. It's so many trees, it's so many bushes. It's amazing. So here we are. We have our table ready. So we are headed to our table to have our dinner. This is my second time at the Rainforest Cafe. Mia ordered mashed potatoes and chicken strip. We have some delicious, yummy drink. As you can see, it tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. We also order some appetizer. Appetizer was delicious. We also have nachos with chips, tacos, fish tacos. Everything tastes amazing. Our course dinner was coconut shrimp with rice, vegetables. It tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. The coconut shrimps was so delicious. It was so yummy. I enjoy it. They have shrimp on the skewer also. This tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. I love my seafood. I love my seafood. I love my shrimps. I love my fish. And dinner at the Rainforest Cafe was delicious, was yummy. It worth your money. We all enjoy it and we were so full. We were so full. Look, Mia, she having dessert. I don't have room for dessert. I was so full. Mia enjoyed her dessert. Dessert was delicious for her and it was yummy. The entire dessert and the entire dinner and the drinks that the guy have and the drinks that we have. It was amazing. We enjoyed it. Dinner was lovely. Dinner was delicious. We have so much fun. I will go now walk around into the Rainforest Cafe and show you guys how it is. These are all animals and sometimes they shake their tails, they shake their heads. Look at these. It's so like a forest in here. It's a rainforest. They have birds. They have everything that